And away from Rivers State, Governor Ahmadu Fintiri says 5 COVID-19 patients have been discharged in Adamawa State after testing negative twice. He disclosed that the index case was among the 5 discharged. Correspondent Wolabi Adenusi filed in this report from our studio.
The first batch of coronavirus patients, including the index case, have been discharged in Adamawa State after tested negative twice. It is a feat Governor Ahmadu Fintiri is proud of, and he appeals to people in the larger society not to stigmatizing these recovered patients who have just got their lives back.
You can see that they are already settling down for the guidelines, using the masks, washing their hands, maintaining social distance, and I think much more is still on the shoulder of the journalists to still enlighten and promote these guidelines so that our people will adhere strictly, that it concerns their welfare and their health.
The governor also appeals to the federal government to put Adamawa on its list of states to be supported so it can take good care of the remaining patients on treatments. Mr. Fintiri commended the essential workers, especially health experts and journalists. He noted that caregivers and journalists are frontline actors in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic and as such must be appreciated globally.
If they have extended some assistance to other states, we should be expecting that assistance to our people because we have also contributed and we are part and parcel of the federal government of Nigeria.
Members of the State Correspondents' Chapel, the professional body to which the first index case belongs, expressed their relief at his recovery.
Incidentally, the index case, who happens to be our colleague, a reporter with the Daily Trust newspaper, Kabiru Anwar, happens to be one of the 5. And he was released. Today at the Correspondents' Chapel meeting, he attended with us.
This morning we were together in a meeting. He's full of life, he's healthy and hearty. We hugged each other, we celebrated, we laughed together.
Those people that they are discharged, let the community accept them. Let them give all the necessary, because it's not something that when you are affected with the coronavirus that you are no longer coming back to your community. It's something that the Nigerian that is supposed to be understanding.
Meanwhile, Adamawa recorded 4 more positive cases, bringing the number to 21 with no record of death. The state is now in the community transmission stage and government has declared Mobi, the commercial nerve of the state, as epicenter of the outbreak.